Here is a short video of a portable frame machine I picked up. There's casters, stands that make it where it'll roll around. Make it where it'll roll around so the car is portables. There's more. Here's brackets for the frame machine. Chains. These are high tensile strength chains. These are for frame machines. Here's a bracket of some sort. I don't know. The stand for the tripod or the tower. This piece is bent, so I gotta rebuild it. There's a roller for the tower. Here's Automotive clamps. The Automotive clamps that clamp down on your pinch weld. There were strong ones too. This is a portable frame machine, so here's a part that goes underneath the car. Here's some, don't know exactly what these things are called, but these I picked up from a guy. They're for the frame machine or for pulling or something. I don't know right off the bat. These are self-centering gauges. These are for to make sure your car is completely straight when you straighten it. The frame straight. Here's more brackets the guy sent with it. Clamps, brackets, different things. Different brackets, different hooks that he made. Probably for dents and rocker panels or something. Here's another bracket. Here's a little hydraulic cylinder of some sort. I don't know what it's for. Right off the bat, it came with it. 13-pound slide hammer. Guy made this to put inside a hole so he could use a slide hammer to pop out a dent. It bolts onto the slide hammer. There's other little brackets in there. It was used very little. He said he didn't use it very much. Here's a tower. Here's a couple more stands that he made for it. Right there. Here's the pods for the floor. To drill your concrete. For your floor. There's 30 of them in there. I know they're not cheap. Here's a 4-ton porter power that came with it. A little weak, but it came with it and it works. So here's more stuff. Here's a hydraulic cylinder that works on it. They're a hydraulic. He said you could use it for a jack or for tight spots. You can adjust these spin where you can adjust it. And then you got another one here that goes on. Oh, can't. Oh, man, that thing's tight. Needs some oil or something. But this can go on there so you can use it. There's another. This was actually, he made this here for a strut tower. You needed to straighten a strut tower. Here's another clamp of some sort. These are all self-tightening clamps. Except for this one, I haven't figured that one out yet, but kind of cool little clamp. There's clamps. Here's more high tensile strength chain. high tensile strength chain. But I am looking for, if somebody can push me the right way, or if somebody's interested and want me to do a review, I need a hydraulic pump kit for a Black Hawk air over hydraulic pump, or another 10-ton air over hydraulic pump. I spent quite a little bit of money on this so I could do videos of frame pulling, get into bigger cars instead of just front end collision cars. I like doing side collision and rear collision cars on the channel, so I can bump up the channel a little bit. But I am looking for a rebuild kit or another hydraulic pump. But this is just a short video of the frame machine that I got. I'm guessing it's around 1990s. I don't know exactly. I'm guessing 94 or so. I don't know. Because the book says 93, so who knows? Anchor points, different things, different pieces. This wasn't probably the cheapest back in the day. I don't know exactly how much, but this is a portable one. The guy actually, show you a picture here. The guy actually made this here off this tower. That's why the other part ain't on it, because this black part actually can go up underneath the car and lock onto the bottom of the car without putting a whole frame machine on there, just for like a small pole. But it's a pretty nice unit. It was cheap. I feel sorry for the guy that was selling it. He has cancer, and his wife told him that he needed to start eliminating some things out of the shop, or out of his garage. This was a person's frame machine. But yeah, here's the gauges again. Self-adjusting gauges. I don't know exactly how they work yet. They actually came with another frame machine. These actually came with another frame machine too, that I purchased just for a few parts. I actually could use a rebuild kit on this hydraulic pump, or another hydraulic pump. I actually, if somebody could point me the right direction, I need actually 3 kits, or at least 1 hydraulic pump. I actually got 3 hydraulic pumps, and every one of them has an issue, because they haven't been used. This machine hasn't been used since the 90s. The guy actually made this big box that all this loose stuff, all the frame machine stuff, goes in this big old box. Kind of nice. It's on metal wheels, so it got a lid, so it can be stored. Reinforced metal on the edges, reinforced inside. It's kind of nice that I could put everything in it and be able to roll it around. I actually can roll that. That's how we did it. We rolled this onto the trailer, and then we loaded up the little stuff. But all this will go inside that box. I've already had it in there, so it takes up very little room. But here's the pods again. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to get back to working on other video cars and doing other things, but I had a little bit of a setback. I've been rearranging the garage, cleaning it up. This area back here, this used to be, this is the back portion of my garage, and this had a 4.5 foot tall stack of siding and plywood and paneling and stuff, and I pulled it out so I could have room back here so I could hide the portable frame machine in back here. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you can help me out on the hydraulic pump, be greatly appreciated, or push me the correct way of finding one. I would like to get another Porter Power, a bigger one, but that'll be in. I'm gonna get more clamps and stuff. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.